Hey everyone, on November 19, 2024, ASUS is gearing up for the global launch of its latest mobile gaming marvel, the ROG Phone 9 series. This highly anticipated release coincides with Qualcomm's Snapdragon Summit, where the new Snapdragon 8 Elite platform was unveiled. The ROG Phone 9 will be one of the first smartphones to incorporate this cutting-edge chipset, promising unmatched performance and efficiency. ASUS has carved a niche in the gaming smartphone market with the ROG series, and the ROG Phone 9 continues the tradition with its gamer-centric design. Fans of the series can expect the signature robust build, complete with LED lighting on the back, a visual hallmark of the ROG phone's appeal. This new series is also expected to carry forward AI-driven enhancements, further pushing mobile gaming experiences to new heights. AI will likely optimize gameplay by improving performance, managing resource distribution, and enhancing in-game graphics and responsiveness. Battery life has always been a standout feature of the ROG Phone series, and the ROG Phone 9 is expected to build on this strength. The previous ROG Phone 8 Pro set a high standard with its long-lasting battery life, a key selling point for serious gamers. With Qualcomm placing a strong emphasis on energy efficiency in the Snapdragon 8 Elite, the ROG Phone 9 series is anticipated to extend playtime even further, ensuring gamers can indulge in longer sessions without worrying about recharging frequently. At the heart of the ROG Phone 9 series is Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite platform, featuring an upgraded Adreno GPU and the second-generation Orion CPU. This hardware combination is expected to deliver revolutionary gaming performance, with smoother frame rates, better power management, and enhanced AI integration. The ROG Phone 9 is positioned to offer a seamless and immersive gaming experience. Early benchmark tests on Geekbench 6 have already shown impressive single and multi-core results for the ROG Phone 9, suggesting it will outperform many of its competitors. This bodes well for gamers seeking a device that can handle resource-intensive titles with ease, whether it's for multiplayer battles or complex open-world games. As the launch date nears, the buzz around the ROG Phone 9 series is building. Fans are eagerly awaiting confirmation of the two expected models, the standard ROG Phone 9 and the ROG Phone 9 Pro. The latter will likely pack even more high-end features, further raising the bar for mobile gaming performance. In a market where mobile gaming is gaining momentum, ASUS continues to set trends and push boundaries. With the ROG Phone 9 series, the company seems poised to elevate the mobile gaming experience to new levels. Gamers and tech enthusiasts alike are looking forward to seeing how this series will deliver on its promises and continue the ROG legacy of gaming excellence. The ROG Phone 9 series is shaping up to be one of the most exciting gaming smartphones of the year. With Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite platform under the hood, enhanced AI features, and ASUS's gamer-first design approach, the ROG Phone 9 is positioned to redefine mobile gaming. Whether it's the extended battery life or the powerful GPU, this series is sure to capture the attention of gamers worldwide when it officially launches on November 19th. Stay tuned for more details as we approach the release date. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.